Hey guys, welcome back to Callie J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my brown stew chicken. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Callie J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Callie J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's CallieKitchen_1, and go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So here I have my chicken already clean and washed. I also have my soya sauce. I also have a combination of powdered seasoning, and I also have my onion, my Scotch Bonnet Pepper, my bell pepper, my garlic and my scallion. All right, so as per usual, you know, I love to go ahead and combine all of the powdered seasoning together. And just a reminder guys, all of the ingredients used will be listed in the description box, so go ahead and check that out. I will also go in and add some of the soya sauce. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the onion, the bell peppers, the scallion, the garlic and the Scotch Bonnet Pepper. I'm going to combine everything together. And once my chicken is seasoned properly, I'm going to go ahead and place this in the fridge for roughly an hour to 2 hours before I cook. So I'm doing this in the morning and I'm going to cook this in the afternoon, all right? So now it's time to start preparing my brown stew chicken. So here I have my frying pan and I added a small amount of vegetable oil, and I'm just going to go ahead and place the chicken in there and allow it to brown. Now, I know a lot of you are going to ask what's the difference between brown stew chicken and stew chicken. Let's talk. So, I am preparing brown stew chicken. So for brown stew chicken, we don't normally add the browning to the brown stew chicken. We normally just brown it and then we will just cook it down, and we'll place ketchup over it, add some ketchup over it, and allow it to catch the nice color. As for stew chicken, they normally cut it up a little bit finer and then they will add the browning over it, and then they combine everything together. Instead of frying it in so much oil, they fry it in a small amount of oil and then they cook it down. All right, so this is the brown stew chicken that I'm doing. So I'm going to fry my chicken until it's brown, and then I'm going to remove it from the oil, and then I'm going to cook it down. All right, so I'm not adding any browning to it, and that is why we call it brown stew chicken. So now that my chicken is all fried, I'm going to remove it from the oil, and then I'm going to come back and prepare the sauce for my brown stew chicken, all right? So now it's time to prepare the sauce, for my brown stew chicken. So I added some of the oil that I fried my chicken in, and I went ahead and make a sauce from the seasoning that I seasoned my chicken in, and I added some ketchup and I combined everything together. So I think it needed a little bit more chicken seasoning, so I'm gonna add some more chicken seasoning. Then I'm gonna cover it and leave it to simmer down for roughly about 5 minutes. And I'm gonna come back and place the fried chicken in the gravy, all right? And then I'll cover it, and then I'm gonna leave it and show you guys the final product when we get there, all right? So this is the sauce for my brown stew chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and place the chicken in the sauce. And of course, we have to cover it. So once you put your chicken in the sauce, you're going to go ahead and just cover it. As in, you're going to just pour the sauce all over it. And then we're going to cover it and leave it to simmer down. Then I'm going to come back and show you guys what it looks like. Guys, always remember that you can go ahead and add like vegetables if you have vegetables, meaning if you want to add some broccoli to this, or if you want to add some okra to this, you can always go ahead and do that. All right. Alright guys, so this is what my brown stew chicken looks like. So it's all ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and serve this up with some white rice and some lettuce on the side and show you guys the final product. And this took me about half an hour to 35 minutes to prepare, because I was preparing other things at the same time. Alright, and as you can see, I did not prepare a lot. So in a minute, I'm gonna show you guys the final product of my brown stew chicken. So guys, this is the final product of my brown stew chicken. As you can see, looking delicious and ready to be consumed. I hope you guys enjoy this recipe. I hope you guys try this recipe at home, and I hope you guys already subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.